I'm Dr. David Sedgey from Momentum Chiropractic in San Luis Obispo, and today we're going to talk about knee pain. If I were to name the second biggest thing that causes issues for people on a daily basis, it's their knees. The knee is the most complex joint in your entire body. And why is that? Mainly, it's supposed to be just a hinging joint. It's supposed to go back and forth. But unlike your arm, it's not supposed to rotate. When it rotates, that's when we start to develop problems. That's when you can tear an ACL or an MCL, get a ligament damage. We don't want that to happen. In order to fix a knee problem, we have to look at the complex joint of the knee and figure out what's causing it. Because there is one bone called this little thing called the fibula stuck to the side of your leg, and it's supposed to be in this little socket to keep your knee from twisting. When it twists, that's when it starts to develop arthritis and damage in the knee. So we have to make sure that joint is aligned and stable so the knee can just hinge and not twist. On top of that, we need to check in on the muscles. There's a lot of big muscles that move the knee, and if those are having issues, that's a big deal. And on top of that, we have the nerves from your low back that control your knees and their ability to move and heal. If the nerves from your low back are getting damaged or impinged by the bones in your spine or discs, that will cause the knee to never fully heal, and we need that for our knee to be better. So let's make sure we get it evaluated. We may need to take some x-rays to make sure we get this problem fixed, put a plan together, and that way you can do everything you love doing, run, play games, so that you can feel your best on every day.